Here is CareCredit Mobile app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and then you can confirm it with your Face ID or Touch ID. This is just a mobile app for CareCredit. Nice, well-designed app. Yeah, where you can manage your account, see your balance, make payments, find locations near you, and then have your digital card here. There are e-statements, promotional purchase details, and then yeah, you can just see all of that here in the app. This is a simple, convenient way to manage and use your CareCredit card. With the CareCredit mobile app, you can access your digital card, pay your bill, find enrolled providers and retail locations that accept CareCredit, set alerts, and pay bills from participating doctors and healthcare providers in the network. So yeah, that's what you can do here. Uh, so it's just like an overview how that looks like.